Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the DREAME H15 Pro Heat Wet Dry Vacuum and Mop. I've looked through the internet, checked user experiences, feature comparisons, and real-world performance expectations, and in this video, I'm going to break down whether this is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The first thing that immediately stands out is how much technology DREAME has packed into this machine. Coming from DREAME Technology, the H15 Pro Heat is designed to do much more than simply pick up dust. It aims to vacuum, scrub, wash, and maintain hard floors while minimizing the amount of manual work required from the user. For busy households, pet owners, and anyone dealing with daily messes, that level of automation can make a huge difference. One of the headline features is the 185-degree Fahrenheit hot water floor cleaning system. Unlike standard wet-dry vacuums that rely on room temperature water, this model uses heated water to help break down sticky residues, dried spills, grease, and stubborn dirt more effectively. In real-world use, this means fewer passes are needed to remove tougher messes, and floors often end up looking cleaner with less effort. Another major selling point is the powerful 22 kilopascal suction performance. For a cordless wet-dry cleaner, that is a very strong figure. It allows the machine to pull in dirt, debris, pet hair, dust, and liquid spills efficiently while simultaneously washing the floor. The combination of strong suction and active scrubbing helps reduce streaking and leaves surfaces cleaner than traditional mopping methods. Now let's talk about one of the features many households will appreciate the most, the anti-hair tangle design. Hair wrapping around brush rollers is one of the biggest frustrations with floor cleaning devices, especially for homes with pets or family members with long hair. The H15 Pro Heat is specifically designed to minimize tangles, reducing maintenance, and helping the cleaner maintain performance over time. The AI robotic arm system is another feature that separates this model from many competitors. Instead of leaving small dirty gaps around edges and baseboards, the intelligent cleaning arm automatically adjusts to help improve edge-to-edge coverage. This means corners, wall edges, and hard-to-reach areas receive more attention, reducing the amount of manual touch-up cleaning you need to do afterward. Flexibility is another strong area. The 180-degree lie-flat design allows the vacuum to reach under beds, sofas, tables, and other low-clearance furniture. Anyone who has struggled to clean underneath furniture without moving everything around will immediately understand the value of this feature. It makes everyday cleaning more thorough and significantly more convenient. One of my favorite aspects of this machine is the hot self-cleaning system. After finishing your cleaning session, the device can automatically wash and maintain its own roller using hot water. This helps reduce odors, keeps the brush cleaner, and minimizes the amount of maintenance required. Instead of manually scrubbing dirty rollers, you simply place the unit on its dock and let it handle much of the cleaning process itself. In day-to-day use, the H15 Pro Heat feels like a premium appliance built for convenience. It combines vacuuming and mopping into a single step, saves time, and reduces the effort involved in keeping hard floors clean. Whether you're dealing with muddy footprints, pet messes, kitchen spills, or everyday dust, it is designed to tackle multiple cleaning challenges at once. So should you buy the DREAME H15 Pro Heat? Based on everything I've seen and researched, this is a strong yes if you have mostly hard floors and want one of the most advanced wet-dry cleaning systems available. The hot water cleaning, strong suction, anti-tangle technology, AI-assisted edge cleaning, and self-maintenance features genuinely separate it from many standard floor cleaners. However, if you only need occasional light cleaning or are working with a very limited budget, then this may be more machine than you actually need. Many of its premium features are designed for households that clean frequently and want maximum convenience. Overall, the DREAME H15 Pro Heat is an impressive next-generation floor cleaner that combines powerful suction, intelligent cleaning technology, hot water washing, and excellent ease of use into one premium package, making it one of the most compelling cordless wet-dry vacuums for modern homes.